Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the official launch of ProofPad app, a new decentralized launchpad built on the Solana network. It's designed to create a structured and security focused environment for token launches while also rewarding creators in a long-term way. Launching in 2nd March 2026. Check out the countdown timer. Just 2 days and 23 hours have been left.
Live stream your launch. Zero SOL fees. Earn 0.5%. 2H devlock. Rug protection.
Before we move forward, please remember this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Digital assets are volatile and involve risk. Always do your own research and make independent decisions before participating in any project. Official resources link have been given in the description of the video. You can check out. Now we will discuss what is ProofPad. So viewers, ProofPad is presented as the next evolution of decentralized finance on the Solana. It positions itself as a secure launch environment for traders and a powerful growth platform for creators. The platform focuses on three main pillars: structured safety mechanism, automated liquidity progression, and long-term creator rewards. It aims to reduce common launch risk while building transparency directly into the system. Now we will check out its core safety features. Viewers, every launch includes a built-in 120-minute developer lock. During this time, developers cannot sell their tokens. This structure is designed to reduce sudden early sell pressure and improve launch stability. Once a project reaches 40 SOL, it automatically migrates to Raydium. This migration is seamless and system driven, helping projects transition smoothly into open market trading. Liquidity is permanently burned for each launch. This means it cannot be withdrawn later, creating a stronger layer of structural protection within the ecosystem. These mechanisms are built to support a more transparent and controlled launch process. So viewers, now we will check out the creator reward system. One SOL graduation bonus. When a project successfully reaches graduation, it receives an instant one SOL bonus. Creators earn 50% of all trading fees generated. This is not temporary. It continues long term, aligning incentives between platform activity and project growth. From the every first second of launch, an integrated BuyBot provides Telegram visibility. This helps project gain immediate attention and momentum with the community. So viewers, the platform is structured to reward innovation while encouraging sustainable growth. You can also join its Telegram community. And the next feature is ProofPad also offers an intuitive dashboard designed for both traders and creators. Users can track live activity in real time, monitor top movers across launches, view on-chain proof scores for each token. This data-driven interface allows participants to make more informed observations while keeping everything transparent and visible on-chain. So you can check out, you can find out top movers, you can check out live streaming, and here you can also check out the all. You can also check out the new, and you can also check out the last traded, graduating, and other details have been provided here. Here you can also check out that you can check out auto liquidity and contract verified. So viewers, here you can see, first of all you will have to connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, you can join this platform. Now we will discuss its social media communities like Telegram. I would like to request all my viewers to join the Telegram. The Telegram community is where live discussions happen. You can receive immediate updates. You can follow new launches as they happen. You can interact directly with the community and stay informed about upcoming features. Link has been given in the description of the video. Viewers, the X account shares official announcements, launch reminders, milestone updates, and future development plans. Following the account helps you stay connected to verified platform news directly from the sources. Viewers, ProofPad officially goes live on Monday at 0:55 UTC. If you are watching Solana based launches, this is the scheduled activation time. You can check out website, and you can also check out other details. Viewers, in simple terms, ProofPad app combines a time developer lock, a 40 SOL automated radium migration, permanently burned liquidity, lifetime fee sharing for creators, integrated Telegram exposure, and a real-time on-chain dashboard. The goal is to create a fair, transparent, and structured launch environment for the Solana community. If this breakdown gave you clarity, make sure to like this video and share it with others who follow Solana projects. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more detailed platform reviews and updates. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay responsible, and I will see you in the next video update.